Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Gabriel Veles and to say Felicia should make sure that he gets out of there now. And don't get my allegation funeka njena angabe attached to his name because what he has ngaleya will Felicia will be destroyed and people would no longer see her as the Proverbs 31 woman that she says she is. Kodwa uFelicia nje uyazama ukubhongoza kodwa it doesn't work out because uGabriel already planned bomb press conference in live what for himself and all that. But Ishmael and Ufistos, they're going through it, man, realizing the expenses that they have to be dealing with monthly. Living in the burbs, yeah, born. So it's back and forth with Gabriel and Felicia about this whole thing. Turns out that the will said that Felicia should have Genesis records only if she marries one of the Babylon and is not sure which one. Because her husband yakhe, and then they can have a Genesis. But Felicia somehow made it yabo without getting married to one of the Babylonians, but she was in charge of Genesis records for years without them knowing. So yeah, that is against the law. And Maruna decided to go to Mpum and say, "Hey girl, how are you? See sharp moves." And like as time they made their relationship, this fight has been going for so long. Easy manje. So Felicia decided, because you know what? Once Gabriel now saying that he's going live and he has like huge things to say, Felicia feels like now she should do the same thing and went to that press conference that Gabriel planned for her so that they can. Hey, because the information is too much. Okay, Felicia now is the one who's saying that the detective was working alone and she demands that they release Gabriel. Pastor was confused. Okay, because yesterday they were celebrating, right? Bishop is confused with Aibo. Aibo, girl. And when did we get here? Ubongo and Unobontle have no idea Gusumawabo is out there doing that because she just said, "No, I have to go somewhere." She didn't say anything to anybody. She just went and did this by herself. Wait, he says that, you know what? Gabriel should stay there so that he can learn to be humble. Mpumi uthi kanjani mfethu? Yebo sila sikhona khona at this point in our lives because of Gabriel. When umufuna abe arrested kanjani? So when you don't see ukuthi if Gabriel can be arrested when you can have imali revelations records and everything. Sanibonani. Sanibona. So been going all around Ngabo Ishmael and Ufistos Levis and Bond and all that. I feel like they're just stretching. I feel like they're just stretching. Why can't they just like arrest Gabriel? Where at the end? How come Gabriel comes out of every situation that he puts himself into? I mean, which also Gabriel has everything on on everyone, everything in every situation. So in everything that's going to happen, very he will end up not going to jail, unless people are willing to sacrifice themselves and go down with him. This is the way it is. So why can't they just like NTT and Gabriela Kubek and live his life, everyone and live their lives? Because Felicia taking out Gabriel from prison, that doesn't mean that Gabriel is not gonna come after a Genesis Records. And now, because now she knows what Gabriel has on her, what's going to happen? Is she going to retaliate? If Gabriel says that, give me your shares, Elo Genesis, what is Felicia going to do? Knowing exactly that what is it that Gabriel has on her? If Gabriel says, Labandona labo angibafuni lapha endlini, baxoshe mina, I'm coming back. What is Felicia going to do? If she's willing to go to the public and lie, a Proverbs 31 woman, what's with this Proverbs 31 woman, Vil? Kahle kahle, her herself, she knows herself. How can she allow people be calling her that because while she knows the person that she really is? Proverbs 31 woman who forged a will so that she can get what she wants to get from that will. That is exactly what happened. Felicia's husband said she should marry one of their brothers so that they can continue with the legacy. But Felicia felt like it's not for her, and she didn't. Why the stretch for so many episodes, even though now it's going around like the circle? They're doing the same thing. They're doing the same thing. Okay, Kaba is doing this to them, and they find out, and the people know, and then it goes back into, oh, good lord. I feel like why would you have us watch the same thing over and over again? And now with the addition, Yosfiso and Ishmael on the side, the levies, and the electricity, and all that. I mean, from where I'm standing, I feel like, guys, naibaxwa ke manje, naibaxwa. If Gabriel needs to be arrested and this thing iphele, and then we can go to the next scene, let it be done. If Gabriel was never meant to be arrested, well, simekele vele abe villain for ever and ever. But now I guess there's something different. Go. Now I guess there's something different. Someone else has to do something else, bruh. We cannot be going like in circles. We cannot be going in circles. So Gabriel doesn't want someone to have be successful. He wants to be part of everything. Okay, bro, when people are happy, he's coming to make sure that happiness is like, and every time he's gonna show up unannounced with flowers and say this and that, and then he goes back and call the police and say, I'll give you the exact time when I be there, let's cast lazy and call the paper davas and tell them when I be there, let's cut lazy, and just like, why, why, why are we going in circles? I think by now, hey, I can see that guys, it's been long. Let's just close it and make sure whoever needs to be arrested be arrested. Whoever needs to go down with that person that needs to be arrested, they should be arrested too. Because it's just like it's going. You see, it's still going. Why?